Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Fatir Janwiski, NIM 2224-32-076, Information System from Class B. I will present the result of my final project of the database course. I create a library management system using MySQL. Overview of the project. In this project, I create a database called Perpustakaan, which means library. The purpose of this database is to manage various activities in a library such as managing members, managing books, handling books, borrowing and returning book reservation, managing library staff, categorizing books. Next, tables and their function. There are 8 main tables, each with specific role. Number 1, entitas anggota. Store library member data, include files like ID, name, address, and phone number. Number 2, entitas buku. Store book information. Each record includes the book ID, title, and author, category ID, and publisher. Number 3, kategori buku. Stores book category, such as database, programming, or artificial intelligence. Entitas. Number 4, entitas peminjaman. Record borrowing transaction. It includes the member ID, borrow date, and return due data. Number 5, detail peminjaman. Detail of each book borrowing. If a member borrows more than one book, each book is recorded here with quantity. Number 6, entitas pengembalian. Stores return data, include return data, and find denda if there is a delay. Number 7, entitas reservasi. For book reservation, members can reserve books that are current borrowed. Number 8, entitas petugas. Stores library staff account. Each staff member has a username and password to log into the system. Next, relationship between tables. The tables are connected using foreign key to maintain relation integrity. Each book is linked to a category in kategori buku. Entitas peminjaman is linked to entitas anggota. Detail peminjaman connect entitas peminjaman with entitas buku. Entitas pengembalian is connect to entitas peminjaman. Entitas reservasi link to the both entitas anggota and entitas buku. This structure ensures that data is consistent, relational, and well organized. Next, main table. There are 8 main table entries or table in this data. Number 1, entitas anggota. This table store data about library members including ID anggota, member ID, name, address, and phone number. Next, entitas buku. This table contain book information such as ID buku, title and author, book category, publisher, Next, number 3, kategori buku. Use to categorize books. ID category and category name such as programming, data science. Next, number 4, entitas peminjaman. Record every book borrowing transaction. ID peminjaman, ID anggota, borrow date, return due data. Number 5, detail peminjaman. This table connects borrowing record to specific book. ID detail, ID peminjaman, ID buku, jumlah atau quantity of book borrow. Next, number 6, entitas pengembalian. This table logs book returns. ID pengembalian, ID peminjaman, and actual return date, and fine if any. Number 7, entitas petugas. This table stores information about library staff. ID petugas, nama petugas, username, and password. Okay, next. Number 8, entitas reservasi. For book reservation made by members. ID reservasi, ID anggota, ID buku, and reservation date. Relationship and constraints. Each table is connected through foreign key. For example, entitas peminjaman is related to entitas anggota. Detail peminjaman is related to both entitas peminjaman and entitas buku. Entitas pengembalian is linked to entitas peminjaman. Entitas reservasi link members to the book they want to reserve. This relationship ensures data consistency and integrity in the system. Sample data. The SQL file also includes sample data using insert statement. For example, members like Ahmad Wijaya and Budi Santoso. Books like Belajar SQL, Andi, and AI. And machine learning Elsa. Example, borrowing and return transaction with dates and fines. Next, conclusion. In conclusion, this library database system provides a structured way to manage books, members, loans, return, and reservation. It ensures efficient data handling and support real-world library operation. The system is complete and now manages a library essential operation. It covers everything from book management and borrowing to return, reservation, and staff login. With this relational database design, the system can be easily maintained and expand in the future if need. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.